Alright, I obtained this milk crate with an old motor and grinder setup. I would definitely say this is vintage. No question about it. So, gonna unpack this and yeah, see what we got. But I could tell with the belts, dual grinder, separate from the motor. Definitely some very cool vintage stuff. And yeah, looking forward to doing a full restore on this. Extra pulley. Set that aside. Is the grinder unit. Very nice. It looks like we got. I'll clean that up. Some brackets. Some rests. Tool rests. Brackets aside for now. See what motor this is. AC motor, model number 29966. When ordering parts, give model number type SA. Frame 147, form DA. Amperage 3.6. Volts 110. Phase 1. Horsepower 1/6. Speed 1140. Cycles 60. General Electric Company, Schenectady, New York, USA. Alright, before we do anything, let's plug it in and see if she runs. Alright, it's got fairly obvious aftermarket or after production replacement cord here. Okay, so we're going to just plug this in and see what happens. There you go. Well, that runs smooth. Okay, we'll set this aside for now. Take a look at the grinder assembly. It's fun doing this together, because I haven't seen this. This is the first time I'm looking at it. So it was literally a basement / barn find, and so cleaning this up together, get a little ZEP in the action here. I want to lightly clean this at first, just to see what we have. Okay. General, established 1930, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Got another badge down over here as well. Very cool. This is a beautiful piece, to be honest with you. Look at this design on the face of this. It's almost like, looks like something like on the Chrysler Building or the Empire State Building in New York City. It's incredible. This says here, double shielded ball bearings. belt on here. We're gonna definitely replace this. It's got some breaks in it, some cuts. Who knows how old it is? See if we can see what brand it is. Get a little ZEP on the scene here. Looks like Gates. TrueFlex, yep, Gates, TrueFlex, 2440. That's fantastic. I love it. This is a beautiful piece. All right. This restore is brought to you by ZEP Fast 505 Degreaser and Cleaner. Fast acting shop grade degreaser. Removes oils, grease, and dirt. Use on tools, workspaces, grills, and more. Cleans plastic, metals, and other hard surfaces. Yeah, we're going to use this throughout the entire restore. Might remember this wrench from a restore we did 3 or 4 days ago. Yeah, the 8-inch Crescent, Jamestown Crescent Tool Company. Yeah, hey, listen, let's put it to work. That's what it's here for. just like crumbled. Yeah. They got plastic washer. Literally just crumbled though. Thought it might have been like a C-clip. It wasn't. There is like a groove here. But that was literally just a plastic washer. Very brittle. So we'll have to replace that. That's got to be there. Spacer. The other side we have multiple thin washers. They're probably some sort of a shim. These ones are not falling apart, but we'll take those off as well. Okay, on the left side, or the call it the left side, it's where the electrical contact plate is. There's a thick washer, which is just like the one that crumbled, and then two, like really super paper thin, just crumbled as they came apart. Two paper thin washers, I don't know what type, they just literally just crumbled. Okay, so we're going to want to replace those. Definitely not magnetic. This is a magnet here. Yeah, it's these are some type of composite material, plastic or something. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll do some research and we'll get new ones. Alright, we got total disassembly here. We're going to end up cleaning up the case inside and out, painting, cleaning up the electrical components, and yeah, in good shape.